Every entrepreneur should have these skills. Entrepreneurship is a difficult profession, and it'll require you to master multiple skills. If you want to see eventual success, let's break down the most important skills that every successful entrepreneur will need to learn in 2021. 1. A vision. Know exactly what you want. Have a clear idea of your end goal. Write it down, verbalize it, embrace it. This is how you know exactly where your steps will take you. Your vision is what defines the strategic goals of your company and what helps you create a business plan that will get you where you want to go. 2. Passion and energy. Nobody else is going to be passionate about your business. Nobody else has the energy to take it where it has to go. It is entirely up to you. This may sound extreme, but without these two key qualities you will battle to take your business through the complexities that lie ahead and onwards into long-term success. 3. Money management. If ever there was a top spot competition for entrepreneurial skills, money management would be one of the strongest contenders. They say, if you can manage money, you can manage anything. The priority for any entrepreneur is to make decisions that will contribute to the growth of the company. And money plays an important role in many decisions that need to be made. It can determine the success of the business, keep it from failing, help reduce or eliminate unnecessary costs, and, more importantly, impact the profitability of the business. 4. Mastering salesmanship. Salesmanship is one of the most important skills anyone in business can learn. Since most businesses involve selling something to someone else, whether you're B2C or B2B, learning and mastering salesmanship techniques can help your business find success even in crowded industries or niches. You should learn solid strategies and selling techniques so that you can earn consistent revenue after launch no matter what your business produces or provides. 5. Problem solving. If you can't solve problems, then you shouldn't be in business. There'll be unhappy clients demanding your attention, internal issues or processes that aren't making your ship sail smoothly. But see these as a drop in the ocean of all the issues that can arise. Problem solving is a two-part skill. First, there's the ability to be able to identify the problems, and then there's finding the solutions that will help move the business forward. 6. Patience and perseverance. The best is never achieved at once. You've got to struggle, you've got to fail, and you've got to try again and again until you achieve what was desired. This is how things work, business or personal. Have patience and keep your eye on your vision. If things aren't working or failing, don't lose hope. Instead, see it as an opportunity to improve your efforts. Show perseverance and you will thrive. Keep the above qualities and characteristics in mind and put your skills to test for the best. And don't forget to share your entrepreneurial success story in comments section. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.